Welcome to Quantiix. In this video, you'll learn how to use the downtime classification feature to accurately report and analyze machine downtime. We'll cover how to assign downtime reasons, classify events retroactively, use bulk classification, split downtime events into multiple reasons, and track your classification coverage. Let's get started. First, go to your factory, select a machine, and choose a downtime event. Next, assign the appropriate downtime reason. For this example, we'll use setup. Need to update historical data? Downtime reasons can be assigned retroactively for up to 2 days in the past. To save time, multiple downtime events can be selected and classified together using the bulk classification option. If a downtime event contains multiple causes, it can be split into separate segments, allowing different downtime reasons to be assigned to each part. The classification coverage indicator at the top of the screen provides a real-time view of the percentage of downtime that has already been classified. Please note that downtime classification is available only during planned shifts. Let's quickly review what we've learned. In this tutorial, you've learned how to classify downtime events, update historical downtime data, apply classifications in bulk, split downtime events into multiple causes, and monitor your classification progress. Using downtime classification helps improve data accuracy and provides better visibility into production losses.